Hello everyone and welcome back again to DG Guru's video series. So in this video of ours today we will be discussing, or rather I should say we will be continuing our knowledge on the SEO parts. So yesterday we have discussed all about the on-page SEO. So today we will be discussing a little bit more about off-page SEO. So if I talk about off-page SEO is basically defined as all those activities which are done outside the premise of the website, which indirectly helps in increasing the rank of the website. Those are called as off-page SEO. So if I talk about off-page SEO, there are certain elements which comes under off-page SEO. One of the basic thing that we do in off-page SEO is creating a backlink. This is the only thing ideally we can say that we do in off-page SEO. But there are certain ways through which we create the backlink. If I like to expand, then in backlink creation, the first one is something like brand mentions. Second one is like commenting. Third is forum, influencer outreach, guest authority, broken link building, social networking, social bookmarking, question answer, and newsletter. These all are the points which comes under off-page SEO. If I talk about guest authority but little in depth, so it basically includes all those search queries which follows these kind of sequences. Like if we need to create a backlink, then just go to the Google and search something like write a sign of plus and with the inverted quote write for us, or just write plus, become a contributor, or contribute, or guest blogging. These keywords symbolizes all those websites which are giving an opportunity for you to come down and write on their interface. When you're going and writing on their interface, while writing the blog or content, you can even paste the link of your web pages or your website, that is your static page, so that when their blog or when your blog is going up on their interface, you are also getting a quality backlink. So by doing anything, by even commenting on some other platform, or by writing a forum, or even by going to social bookmarking or social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or any other thing, you can create a quality backlink of your website. Now if I talk about backlink, there are basically two kinds of backlink: do follow and no follow backlink. So before creating a backlink on a website or on a platform, do just check whether you are creating a backlink from a do follow website or from a no follow website. Because if you're creating a backlink from a no follow website, ideally it won't give you any benefit. So this was a small brief structural layout of off-page SEO, and in next video of us, that is tomorrow, we will be learning about little bit parts of technical SEO, that what all things comes under technical SEO. And these all videos, or in fact I should say these all points, would be explained in my further videos one by one, like how these things have been done. So if you are not aware about any of these functionalities, stay tuned on my channel so that you can get updated on how to create backlinks through these all platforms. Thank you and stay safe.